Welcome back to the Joom United channel. Today we're diving into the future of content creation and website management with a look at our groundbreaking tool, WP AI Assistant. It's no secret that artificial intelligence is transforming every industry, and the benefits for productivity are immense. But simply having a generic AI chatbot isn't enough. You need a tool that deeply understands your business, your content, and your brand voice. If you've ever wished you had an assistant capable of writing perfect blog posts, generating product descriptions that actually sell, or answering customer questions accurately, all while sticking precisely to your unique style and company data, then a generically trained AI just won't cut it. That generic AI doesn't know your products, it doesn't know your tone, and it certainly doesn't know your archives. That's where WP AI Assistant becomes the essential, game-changing solution for your WordPress site. This tool is designed to go beyond simple text generation by letting you directly train it using your own proprietary data. This means the AI doesn't just guess, it writes based on your actual site archives, documents, and business context, turning it into a hyper-specialized expert. Over the next 15 minutes, we're going to walk you through the 3 powerful methods you can use to train the AI: WordPress Data Training, Document Training, and External URL Training. Mastering these techniques will transform your content workflow, making your AI assistant the most informed member of your team. Let's dive in and see how we can turn raw data into intelligent content. Now that we've covered the idea, let's jump into the first and most powerful training method, WordPress Data Training. This feature allows your AI assistant to directly access and learn from your own internal website archives, including all your posts, pages, and custom post types. This is incredibly impactful because the AI is learning from your actual published content, ensuring its tone and factual basis align perfectly with your brand. A massive benefit here is the automatic data update frequency. If you update an old blog post or add a new page next month, the AI will automatically regenerate its knowledge based on those changes. This ensures your AI assistant is never outdated and always reflects your current products, services, and policies. To start the training, navigate to the WordPress Data tab in the AI Assistant settings. First, give your training set a clear name in the WordPress Data title field like Admin Label Accessory. Next, use the WordPress Data Type dropdown to select what you want the AI to read. For this example, let's select Post. The AI will now start gathering all your published posts. For even greater accuracy, you can use the WordPress Data Filter. This allows you to include or exclude specific data, ensuring the AI only learns from the content that truly matters. For example, say you selected Post in general, but you only want the AI to read your articles about Product X, while ignoring old company news. You would input Product X in the Post Page Title field. Then, using the Select Operator dropdown, you have 4 precision modes. Is only fetch data from posts where the title exactly matches Product X. Is not fetch all posts except the ones titled Product X. Contain fetch posts where the title includes the words Product X. Anywhere in the title. Doesn't contain fetch all posts that do not contain Product X in the title. This level of filtering lets you aim for maximum precision. For instance, selecting Contain with a product tag will ensure the AI learns every relevant piece of marketing copy for that product, making its responses highly accurate. If any of these filters seem confusing, don't worry, there is a helpful explanation right below the filter fields that details what each operator does. Beside, a massive benefit here is the data update frequency. This crucial setting ensures your AI assistant is never outdated. By selecting an interval, such as 1 month, in the Regenerate Data Every field, the AI will automatically refetch and relearn from your WordPress data at that interval. If you update an old blog post or add a new page, the AI will automatically regenerate its knowledge based on those changes. This is set globally for the dataset, ensuring a consistent workflow. Once you're satisfied with your source, filters, and update frequency, click Save and Add to Assistant. After the AI processes the data, you can easily keep track of all your training efforts by checking the training data list at the bottom of the screen. This list shows the title, the update frequency, the date it was trained, and the type of training, in this case, WordPress. You can quickly edit or delete any trained content right from this list, giving you complete control over your AI's knowledge base. Let's move on to the second method, which is critical for training your AI on proprietary or non-public information: document training. This section allows you to upload your own files, such as PDFs, JSONs, text files, and even Microsoft Office documents, to train your assistant with specific internal company knowledge. As you can see, document training offers two powerful modes: file search and code interpreter. File search is what most users will use. This mode allows the AI to learn from general documents like manuals, white papers, price lists, or marketing guides. The second mode, code interpreter, is specifically designed for developers and coders. This is where you would upload files like CSS, HTML, Python, or JavaScript to train the AI on complex code logic, allowing it to act as an informed coding assistant. For our example, let's stick with file search. Before we upload anything, let me ask the AI a generic question. What is conductors, insulators, and semiconductors? Notice the response. It's accurate, but generic, pulling general knowledge from the public internet, just like any standard AI model. Now let's make it specific. I will upload a detailed internal electric systems manual PDF right here in the drag and drop area. The AI will now process this document and integrate its knowledge. Now, let's ask the exact same question again. See the difference? The AI's answer is now dramatically more accurate and detailed. It prioritizes the knowledge learned from our internal PDF, using the specific terminology and focus of our document. This transition proves the AI assistant isn't just relying on public sources. It is transformed into an expert in the content you provided. Remember, you can upload more than just one document to this dataset. By broadening the documents you upload, you can train your AI to cover multiple fields, leading to much better, more informed, and specialized responses in the future. We've covered internal content and proprietary documents, but what about keeping your AI assistant updated on external, real-world industry news and competitor data? That's where the final method comes in: external URL training. This feature lets you manually input URLs from trusted websites, news pages, or official knowledge bases for the AI to learn from. To begin, navigate to the External URL tab. You'll see the URL input field, where you can paste the address of the page you want the AI to crawl. For example, if you manage a car technology blog, you might want the AI to read the latest updates from large manufacturers. Crucially, you have the option to check the box to crawl all pages' URLs. If you select this, the system will not only process the main URL, but also attempt to detect and crawl all the links found on that page, allowing you to quickly ingest a broader dataset from a single source for more comprehensive training. Alternatively, you can limit the crawl to just the single URL. The URL training filter is also crucial for precision. Since a website can contain dozens of links, you can use the filter to refine exactly what the AI crawls. By adding an HTML tag filter or CSS class filter, you can prevent the AI from being flooded with irrelevant data, ensuring it focuses only on the specific topics you need, such as only crawling content within the main article body and ignoring sidebars or footers. Let's demonstrate the impact. First, I'll ask the AI a general question. What is the future of car technology? The answer is comprehensive, but perhaps a bit long-winded and generic. It doesn't have the specific, professional voice of an industry expert. Now let's train it. I will input two specialized URLs: an article discussing AI-driven battery management, a review on the public acceptance of autonomous vehicles. The AI will now crawl and integrate this expert-level knowledge. Let's ask the exact same question again. The response is now dramatically different. It's more concise, uses specific, high-level industry terminology, and frames the answer with the professionalism we expect. The AI has prioritized the expert knowledge from those external sources. turning a general answer into a focused, industry-savvy response. The AI frames the future in distinct, professional pillars. The battery revolution. It directly references the shift to solid-state batteries for higher energy density and faster charging, and the rise of new chemistries like lithium iron phosphate, LFP, to reduce costs. Infrastructure and sustainability. It discusses the need for wireless and super-fast charging solutions, the development of better recycling processes for batteries, and the industry's overall focus on circular supply chains. Autonomous driving. The AI notes the continued advancement in autonomous driving technology, emphasizing improvements in sensors, artificial intelligence, and machine learning for enhanced safety and decision-making. This is the key benefit of external URL training: precision and authority. By training the AI with reputable external sources, you are essentially downloading up-to-the-minute industry expertise into your assistant, ensuring its output is invaluable for competitive analysis, strategic planning, and highly targeted marketing copy. We've now successfully completed the most technical part of the tutorial, training your AI assistant on your specific internal data, documents, and external URLs. But remember, all that effort only helps the AI grow in knowledge. If you want your AI to feel like a real assistant, one that can hold a friendly, professional conversation, you need to optimize its personality and conversational habits. To do this, navigate back to the Setup and Instructions option in the Settings menu. You'll see many configuration fields here, but we are going to focus on the 3 marked as recommended that govern the AI's persona. First is Assistant Name and Persona. This is where you define the AI's role. Instead of a generic prompt, we're going to instruct it to be a friendly but professional salesperson. So we might write, "You'll be called Alex. Act as a helpful salesperson who is professional, knowledgeable, and focuses on keeping explanations short but easy to understand." Second, we have Assistant Target and Objective. This defines what the assistant should accomplish. Here, we emphasize its conversational habit, instructing it to broaden the topic to keep the conversation flowing. We'll input, "Your main objective is to assist customers with product inquiries," never using hard or complex words. Always look for ways to broaden the conversation topic instead of just answering the user's question, then ending. Finally, the Custom Data Usage field. This controls how the AI prioritizes the knowledge we just spent 3 sequences training it on. We will tell it to rely heavily on our internal data first, but use its general knowledge as a backup. We'll write, "You will use the data from the custom files we provided in priority for your replies." You can also use the public data from your AI model to complete the reply. By optimizing these 3 fields, you've transformed a knowledgeable system into an intelligent, personality-driven assistant that serves your customers professionally, keeping them engaged and converting. Before we deploy our assistant, let me quickly mention the other powerful configuration options available. You have Chat Design to customize the appearance of the chat box, Action to connect the assistant to specific tasks like redirects, Scheduler to manage when the assistant is active, and Assistant Settings for API key management and general configurations. While these are important for full deployment, the most crucial step, training, is complete. With the training and personality instructions now saved, our specialized AI assistant is ready to be deployed across your website. It has the deep knowledge from your car technology documents and external URLs, the updated facts from your WordPress data, and the friendly, professional persona we defined in the setup. Let's head over to the front page of our website and open the AI Assistant chat box. Now, I'm going to ask a question that requires both specific knowledge and conversational skill. For example, I've been reading about autonomy algorithms. Can your company explain the key difference between using a camera-first versus a sensor fusion approach in self-driving vehicles? Notice how the AI responds. It immediately addresses the highly technical terms, using the specific, accurate details it learned from the external URLs, but delivers the message with the concise, approachable tone we instructed it to use. It doesn't just end the conversation, it tries to broaden the topic, confirming it's acting as a true professional sales assistant. This is the power of WP AI Assistant, a highly knowledgeable, personalized assistant working 24/7 for your business. You have now successfully navigated the entire process, mastering all three core training methods: WordPress data, document training, and external URLs, and optimizing your assistant's personality for professional engagement. The impact this has on your business is significant. You eliminate time-consuming research, ensure every customer interaction is factually accurate and on-brand, and deploy a high-value sales assistant without hiring a person. This intelligent automation is the future of content, and you can start benefiting today. WP AI Assistant is available at a special launch price of just $29 for the first year, down from the standard price of $49. This package includes the full plugin plus integrations, a full year of support and updates, and covers use on multiple domains without any recurring payment stress. That's a tiny, one-time investment for a monumental leap in your site's efficiency and customer service quality. Ready to deploy your expert AI? Visit joomunited.com to get the WP AI Assistant plugin now. If you found this detailed guide helpful, please give this video a like, subscribe to the channel for more essential tutorials, and let us know in the comments how you plan to train your own AI assistant.